So we have to use our imagination and our emotional memory about being drunk. See, what happens is, when you tackle situations in as a part of your job as an actor, emotional memory just begins the process. And then imagination has to take over. Because that imagination is also the only place where the director also can put his inputs, where he can instruct you. You can't say, नहीं मुझे मालूम है मैं 3 साल का था तब मेरा बाप मर गया था, तब मैं जैसे रोया था मैं वैसा रोऊंगा. वैसा नहीं होता. वो आपको कोई अलग तरीके से रुलाना चाहता हो, क्योंकि वो उसके सीन के लिए, उसकी फिल्म के लिए एक अलग ग्राफ उसके लिए चाहिए. तो उसे कुछ अलग करवाना होता है और आप बंद हो जाते हो आपकी मेमोरी में. मेमोरी इज ऑल्सो, यू नो, it is said that sometimes we are more ruled by our memory and our past than the hopes or the fears of our future, or even the sheer joy of being in the present. Most of us live our lives living in the past, and maybe, living a life of regret. Now, we in any case are living in memory. We in any case are having emotional memories of a lot of things which color our responses to even a real life situation as real life people, not as an actor. So when you are an actor and when you are told to rely upon emotional memory, how does it differ from your real life? It has to. There is a deliberateness of purpose behind a gesture, behind a way the word is spoken, behind the way you move your body. All is deliberate. It is rehearsed. There is nothing like, you can begin by being spontaneous, but please believe you me, spontaneity is a big hoax. There is nothing like spontaneity. In film, you should be able to create the same situation in each take and then change it as per the director's need. So you begin by emotional memory. You feel cheated because your best friend, उसने मार्बल्स की गेम में आपके साथ चीटिंग की और वो 3-4 मार्बल्स लेके गया, वो अभी तक उसने लौटा ही नहीं है. वो अभी तक आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, लेकिन आपको ये एक ऑब्जेक्शन है उसके बारे में. आके उसने आपको इसमें, जब छोटे थे आप तब बिट्रे किया. तो ये बिट्रेयल तो एक दोस्त ने की है और बहुत छोटी सी है, तो उसको आप कैसे यूज करोगे? तो उसके इमोशन को ही सिर्फ याद करना है. लेकिन उसके बाद में, when you have your written words, when you have your dialogues, when you have your entire set of instructions by your director, you have to allow that to carry that emotional memory further and get it used at the right time. You know, when I and Nandana started this exercise, this workshop, as Leela puts it, what she did was, we were rehearsing at a place in Bandra. It was 4 o'clock in the evening. Sun was streaming in, so she told us to kind of, create an ambience where it is dark. Switched off all the lights, all curtains all around. It was a very nice airy room, but she kind of, said, curtains dal do. Switched off all the lights. We could make out each other, not a problem. It's 4 o'clock after all. But the light was substantially reduced. What I realized is that I had to feel the lust, a sudden spike. Lust doesn't arrive in a normal manner. It, like anger, it flares up. You suddenly see a beautiful looking woman, you are attracted to her, the lust flares up. I had to go back in my mind to find out when I felt that. and kind of, probably think about that. Because here also was a very, in fact, what helped me was that I had not met Nandana Sen before that day. She was a new person for me. I didn't know anything about her. And lust flares up in a vacuum of being in a very emotional-less state. Then only it can flare up. Otherwise, it gets toned down, it gets watered down, it gets harmonized because of your knowledge about that person on a personal level. But what helped me was Nandana Sen. I didn't know who Nandana Sen was. And then we enacted that entire thing where we we improvised. Generally, she kept on saying no, and I kept on advancing. But what came in between the successful workshop was our own nature. कभी कभी फिल्मों में ऐसा होता है कि डायरेक्टर कट बोलना भूल जाता है. यहां लिलेट ओके स्टॉप बोलना भूल गई, या तो डेलिबरेटली उसने नहीं बोला. And I tell you, I was so, I only suddenly got up and said, Lilette, abhi bas na ye. Because by that time Nandana Sen was crying. She was crying real tears. She thought a real rape was taking place. So she was in no condition to speak. And I got up. So she rejected me. Lilette said, no, you can't do this role. I said, then she asked me, what all did you feel? Where all did you go?